Hello, I am the uppercase letter W. Today you're going to practice how to write me. Before, let's say, I am W for whale. Great. Now, let's practice the writing. First, grab your pencil and move straight to the dot and trace down and trace back up, down, up. Great. Now trace again to the side down, to the side up, to the side down, and to the side up. Great. Now practice how to write it by yourself without any tracing line. Good. Trace to the side down, to the side up, to the side down, to the side up. Good. One more time. To the side down, side up, side down, and side up. Great. Perfect. You did a great job. Now grab your book and write more letter W's. See you. Bye-bye.